Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the charging test comparison between the OnePlus 8T versus the Realme X7 Pro device. So there is a very common difference between the both of these smartphones, friends. One is that both phones they're having the 65 watt fast charging, and both phones they're having the 4500 mAh of battery capacity. So this will be the genuine kind of same range comparison between the both phones. So let's see which phone will take how much time to charge from the 0 to 100%. And during this time, even I try to record the temperature readings as well for every 10 minutes. So not only the temperature reading for the phone, even I'll record the temperature reading for the charger adapter as well, friends. So which is the first time I'm doing this is a kind of unique test which I'll be doing in my channel. So make sure to subscribe and also do like this video, friends, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this kind of videos possible and for all of you all. And make sure to check the playlist as well. Very soon I'll be reaching the 200 videos on the Realme X7 Pro. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel as soon as possible, friends, because I need to reach the very high subscriber count as soon as possible. So let's see, friends, what will be the results are right now in this kind of test. So here we do have the Super Dot charger from the Realme, so which is of 65 watt fast charger and which is of USB port, as you can see, for the charger. The reason why I'm mentioning this USB is because the OnePlus wrap charger, there is a 65 watt as you can see wrap charger 65, which written clearly on the charger, so which has a Type-C port on the charger, as you can see, friends. So you can only able to use only the Type-C to Type-C cables on this OnePlus charger, but in the Realme charger you can use any other normal cable as well. So it is a stopwatch which I'll be keeping ready in this smartphone. As you can see, the stopwatch is kind of ready here, and it is a small chart ready, and the temperatures also ready right now. So let me try to show you the initial temperatures. So I did not turn on any AC right now, so there is no aircon is turned on at the moment during this time of testing. So 28 degrees. So let me try to check the Realme X7 Pros. So it's also same kind of 27 degrees. So both are kind of same kind of range toward this time. As you can see, friends, the test has been successfully started in both the phones. As you can see, right now the time is also started, and let me try to show you the chart again. As you can see, I did clearly distinguish the Realme X7 Pro in one chart and the 80 in here, and when the temperature for the phone and the charger as well. So right now I connected the same kind of respective charger for the both the smartphones, Realme X7 Pro and the OnePlus 8T device. So let's see, friends, which phone will charge how much battery percentage, and how will be the temperatures also maintained during this time with the phone and the temperature of the charger as well. I'll try to keep track of each and every small details as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for more interesting comparisons in depth between these both of the smartphones. So again, I'll be back exactly after 10 minutes of charging these both phones. So let's see in the first 10 minutes how much the phones can actually charge. So right now you can see, friends, it's been exactly 10 minutes of charging the both the phones. Let me try to quickly show you the battery percentage. 43% on the OnePlus 8T device and 36% on the Realme X7 Pro smartphone. So let me try to write down the readings for the battery percentage first. And OnePlus 8T is slightly ahead of the Realme X7 Pro. And now let me try to check the temperature readings of both the smartphones. And the temperature readings is of 33 degrees. 34 degrees, as you can see, friends, 34 degrees on the front side, 36 degrees. The OnePlus is getting a kind of slightly heat, 36, as you can see, friends, 37 on the back side. So 34 and 37. So let me try to write down the readings, 34 and 37, and let me try to take down even the charger temperatures. So it is a Realme charger, so which is of 40 watts, 40 degrees, as you can see, and OnePlus charger, which is of close to, as you can see, friends, 40 to 41, 46 as well. You can see 46. So let me try to see near this USB port how much it is. USB port area is kind of okay. So throughout the charger in the Realme, I did see maximum only of 41. But in the OnePlus 8T device, I did see in some areas the maximum of up to, I think, 46. 41, as you can see, friends. So this is a quick charger temperature test as well, but overall the both phones are kind of same to each other, I think, in terms of the charging, in terms of the temperature readings. And OnePlus 80 is kind of close to 44 degrees some areas of the charger. So again, I'll be back after 20 minutes more. So let's see friends, in the first 20 minutes which phone will be charging faster and better as well. And even I'll try to keep the catch on with these temperature readings as well, with the charger adapter and the Realme charger as well, both chargers. So both chargers are kind of heat right now. I can definitely feel when I'm holding. Even the phones are kind of heat. You can see the temperature readings on the OnePlus is slightly higher than the Realme's phone and charger. So again, I'll be back after 20 minutes friends. As you can see friends, it's been exactly close to the 20 minutes of time, and 68% and 74%. Even now the OnePlus 80 is kind of leading the race. So let's see friends what will happen after some times. I think the OnePlus should be slowing down the charging. So 68 and 74. So as you can see, in the beginning it was a difference of 6%. Even now it's a kind of 6% difference is there for the first 10 minutes to the again 10 minutes. So let's see friends, in 30 minutes how much the difference will be there. And if this is the case, the OnePlus 80 will be able to charge faster than the Realme X7 Pro device. So let's see what it means to the temperature reading. So let me try to check the front side of the display of the Realme X7, 37 degrees, and back side 38 degrees. 38 is the highest recorded on the Realme. And let me try to check the OnePlus 37 complete, and 37 degrees. Even OnePlus is trying to stay cool right now. So 38 degrees I recorded the maximum on this Realme X7 Pro device. 38 and 37. OnePlus is still at 37 degrees. And now this is the time to test the chargers test as well. So it is the chargers. So let me try to quickly check the charging bricks. 45 degrees, as you can see, 48 degrees. So which is exactly on the top. I'm trying to test here on that 49 degrees near the USB connection friends. Exactly, it's kind of increasing and decreasing. So 49 to 50. So all I did see about 49 degrees exactly on the spot on the top. So let me try to check in same thing in the OnePlus as well. Even in the OnePlus it's kind of 47, but did not cross 50 degrees. 48. Overall 48 degrees on the OnePlus, and the Realme has got about, I think, 51 degrees as well, the maximum recorded. So this is what I'm talking about friends. Usually the chargers also will get heat as well during this kind of fast charging test. So that's why I thought of doing this kind of unique test in this charging area. So let me write down here. The Realme has got a 51 degrees, sorry, 51 degrees, the highest recorded in terms of the charging. So in terms of the charger temperature test. So let's see friends, in the 30 minutes what will happen now for both the phones, and which one will be leading the race as well. As you can see friends, it's been exactly 30 minutes of charging the both phones. Let me quickly show you the battery percentages. As you can see, 91% on the Realme X7 Pro device and 93% on the OnePlus 80 device. So right now the difference is of only 2% friends. So as I said before, only that difference will keep on decreasing with the time. So because the Realme is charging the phone in continuous constant speed, so whereas the OnePlus 80, it did charge pretty faster, and later it became slightly slower. As you can see friends, right now 91% and 93%. So now let's check the temperatures of both the phones after 30 minutes of charging the phones. 36 degrees. So 36 degrees is the temperature which I recorded on the Realme X7 Pro, and OnePlus 80 has got 34. So 36 degrees and 34 degrees. So with the temperatures 36 and 34. And now it's the time to check the chargers temperatures as well. So here is the chargers from the Realme. 46, 47, 48. As you can see, still the charger is kind of very heat. 48 I did see once. 49, as you can see friends, near exactly the charging area. 49 degrees. 53 as well in the other side. 53 degrees. 51, as you can see friends. 53. This is the Realme charger, and now it's the time to test the OnePlus charger in all the directions. So maybe in some one side the temperatures might be different. So 41, 42, 44, 43, 47, 49. I think this side is kind of as you can see 49 degrees, but it did not cross the 50 degrees mark. So whereas the Realme charger, it went up to 53 degrees. So 53 degrees the charger, and here the charger remains exactly at the 49 degrees. So overall friends, this is the temperature readings and battery percentage for the first 30 minutes. So let's see full charge will take how much more time. So right now it's 94% and 96% in both the phones, as you can see. So the same speed consistent is going on. So in this case, maybe the OnePlus 8T can get charged slightly faster, maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes faster than the Realme X7 Pro mobile phone. So let's see friends, what will be the final score but for this both the smartphones. So right now you can see friends, it's been exactly 37 minutes of charging and both phones are at exactly 99 percentage, as you can see, of the battery, 99 percentage. So let's see friends, which phone will finish the test faster. So I thought of making this video on now itself, so that you can actually see the which phone is faster as well in terms of getting the 100 percentage charge, OnePlus or the Realme device. So let's see friends, which will be winning the race. So finally I think the OnePlus 8T did it exactly about 39 minutes and the 59 seconds. So 38 minutes the OnePlus 8T took to complete charge from 0 to 100. As you can see here friends, clearly the battery is full in the OnePlus 8T device. And let's see how much more time the I think Realme also did the charging as well. As you can see, overall there is only difference of 15, I think 10 seconds maybe between the both the smartphones. So Realme X7 Pro versus the OnePlus 8T device. So as a round figure, it took about 38 minutes friends to complete this kind of test. 38 minutes. This is the total time which has taken in both the phone. So this test results can be varied little bit, kind of 1 minute slower or 2 minutes slower here and there, so depending on the type of situation. So overall friends, this is a round figure 38 minutes of time it has taken in the Realme X7 Pro and the OnePlus 8T device. I hope this video might be helpful for a lot of users who are looking for this kind of video test comparing the both phones in terms of the charging speeds. And for more interested videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, and don't forget to check the links in description for more details as well. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye. And I forgot to show you this chart and explaining in detail. And in the starting times, the Realme X7 Pro did struggle a little bit in terms of keeping up with the speed, but whereas the OnePlus 8T did get slowed down at a later on, so that helped the Realme X7 Pro to achieve the same kind of charging results with the OnePlus 8T device. So this chart will be helping you a lot in terms of seeing the temperature readings as well. The temperature of the Realme charger adapter is slightly higher than the OnePlus charger adapter. So that is what I did notice. So let me try to quickly disconnect right now both chargers, and even I can show you the right now demonstrating you what is the temperatures at the moment. You can see 41 degrees on this Realme charger, 41, 42. As you can see, 41 degrees at the moment on the Realme charger, and the OnePlus charger is of same 42 degrees. So same thing as expected friends, in the most of the 65 watt fast charger, the temperature will definitely increase a lot because of the charging speeds. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.